Dear all, in this session I'll be discussing about first Indian female personalities. Let us discuss the points one by one. The first point is the first woman chairperson of National Women Commission, Jayanti Patnaik. Similarly, the first woman speaker of State Assembly, Shano Devi. The first actress in Indian cinema, that is Devika Rani. The first woman fingerprints expert in India, Sita Vartambal and Bharat Tambal. The first woman Doordarshan news reader, Pratima Puri. The first Indian woman to reach in Olympics Games, Sine Ibrahim. The first Indian woman to receive Norman Borlaug Award, Dr. Amrita Patel. The first Indian woman IAS officer, Anna George. The first woman president of Students' Union, Anju Sachdeva of Delhi University. Let us continue. The first woman chairperson of Rajya Sabha, Violet Alva, in the year of 1962. Moving on to next point, the fastest Asian to swim across the English Channel, Anita Sood. The first all-woman crew to fly an Air Force Chetak helicopter, Flight Cadet Cheryl Dutta and Simran Sodhi of Indian Air Force. The first Indian woman magistrate appointed in United Kingdom, Kanta Talwar. The first woman chief engineer, T.K. Teresa Nanguli. The first woman foreign minister, Lakshmi N. Menon. The first woman commercial pilot, Prem Mathur of Deccan Airways. The first woman Sahitya Award winner, Amrita Pritham. The first woman president of Indian Science Congress, Dr. Ashima Chatterjee. The first Indian woman advocate, Regina Guha. The first woman railway driver, Surekha Shankar Yadav. The India's first woman Airbus pilot, Durba Banerjee. The first woman Secretary General of Rajya Sabha, V.S. Ramadevi. The first Indian woman to win Magsaysay Award, Kiran Bedi. The first Indian paratrooper of Indian Air Force, Nita Ghose. The first Indian woman barrister, Kornita Sorabji. The first woman surgeon, Dr. Prema Mukherjee. The first woman jet Arjun Award. The first woman get Arjun Award, N. Lamsuddin, in the year of 1961. The first woman chairman of bank, Tarzani Vakil. The first woman ambassador of India, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The first woman central minister, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. The first woman film star to be a member of Rajya Sabha, that is Nargis Dutt. The first woman judicial officer, Anna Chandi. The first woman minister of Indian state, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. So you have to remember, the first woman ambassador of India is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and also the first woman minister of Indian state, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The first woman speaker of Indian state, Shano Devi. Grandma Madonna from India, Asha Bonsale. The first Indian woman mayor in UK, Lata Patel. The first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress, Sarojini Naidu. The first Indian woman producer and director, Fatima Begum. The first Indian woman to become Miss Universe, Sushmita Sen. The first Indian woman to go in space, Kalpana Chawla. The first Indian woman to reach the final of an Olympic event, P.T. Usha. The first Indian woman to win a medal in an Olympic event, Karnam Malleshwari. The first Indian woman boxer to win an international event, MC Mary Kom. The first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel, Arati Saha. So these are the important points which can be expected for competitive examination. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to share. Thank you.